Welcome back to Mr. Bright Media, where we provide tips and tricks to help you grow your YouTube channel. Today's video is all about how to upload reused content on YouTube without getting a copyright claim. Section 1, Understanding Copyright. Before we get into the tips and strategies for uploading reused content without getting a copyright claim, it's important to understand what copyright is and how it works on YouTube. Copyright is a legal concept that gives the creator of an original work the exclusive right to use and distribute that work. This means that if you use someone else's work without permission, you could be infringing on their copyright. On YouTube, copyright is enforced through the Content ID system. This system scans videos on the platform for copyrighted content, and automatically issues copyright claims if it finds a match. If you receive a copyright claim, it means that the copyright holder has requested that YouTube remove or monetize your video. Section 2, Understanding Fair Use. While copyright can be a complex legal concept, there is a concept called fair use that can allow you to reuse content without infringing on someone else's copyright. Fair use is a legal doctrine that allows the use of copyrighted material under certain circumstances, such as for commentary, criticism, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, or research. To determine whether your use of copyrighted material qualifies as fair use, courts consider four factors: the purpose and character of your use, the nature of the copyrighted work, the amount and substantiality of the portion used, and the effect of your use on the potential market for the original work. Section 3, Tips for uploading reused content without copyright claim. Now that we've covered the basics of copyright and fair use, let's talk about some strategies for uploading reused content without getting a copyright claim. 1. Transform the original work. One way to avoid copyright infringement is to transform the original work so that it becomes a new, original work in its own right. 1. This could involve adding commentary, criticism, or other original content to the original work, or using only a small portion of the original work and transforming it in some way. 2. Obtain permission. Another way to avoid copyright infringement is to obtain permission from the copyright holder before using their work. 2. This could involve reaching out to the copyright holder directly or using a licensing service to obtain permission to use the copyrighted material. 3. Use public domain material. Public domain material is content that is not protected by copyright and is free for anyone to use. 3. This could include old films, books, and music that are no longer protected by copyright. 4. Use Creative Commons licensed material. Creative Commons is a non-profit organization that provides free licenses for creators to use their work. 4. If you use content that is licensed under a Creative Commons license, you can use it without fear of copyright infringement. 5. Provide proper attribution. If you use someone else's work in your video, it's important to provide proper attribution. 5. This means clearly stating the source of the material and giving credit to the original creator. Section 4, Dealing with Copyright Claims. Even if you follow all of these tips and strategies, there is still a chance that you may receive a copyright claim on your video. If this happens, there are several steps you can take. 1. Review the claim. Review the copyright claim to determine whether it is valid. 1. If you believe the claim is invalid, you can dispute it. 2. Edit your video. If the claim is valid, you can edit your video to remove the copyrighted material, or transform it in some way. 3. Obtain permission. If the claim is valid, you can try to obtain permission from the copyright holder to use their work. 4. Monetize the video. If the copyright holder has claimed your video for monetization, you may still be able to monetize the video by sharing revenue with the copyright holder. 5. Appeal the claim. If you believe the claim is invalid, you can appeal the claim by providing evidence to support your case. 5. YouTube will review the evidence and make a decision on whether to uphold the claim or release it. Section 5, Conclusion. In conclusion, reusing content on YouTube can be a great way to create new and engaging videos, but it's important to do it in a way that respects copyright laws and protects you from copyright claims. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this video, you can confidently upload reused content without worrying about getting a copyright claim. Remember to always provide proper attribution, transform the original work, obtain permission when necessary, and use public domain or Creative Commons licensed material whenever possible. And if you do receive a copyright claim, don't panic, there are steps you can take to address it and continue creating great content on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel.